headed over to WestsideCarMeets. I followed them on Instagram, and they're putting together a show tonight, so we're gonna head over there, check out some cars. We're gonna take our car, display it, you know, hopefully people like it, and then, you know, kind of just go from there, try to network, you know, meet some new friends, meet some new people. We got some big projects going on, so just a quick housekeeping stuff. I know I just talked about it. Like, subscribe, you know, all the stuff we got coming in the future, but, you know, also head over to localoutlaws.com, pick up some merch. We got shirts like this, we got hats, we got hoodies, we got everything you can think of, short sleeve, long sleeve, you know, we got it all for you guys. So head over to localoutlaws.com and you know, get you some merch. All right, we're back at the secret garage. We got the Z, still got the writing on it from when we went to Irwindale, but we're gonna get this bad boy ready to go. We're gonna go out for a night cruise. All right, getting this put back on. Ooh, shocking. All right, everything's set up here. I just gotta get a wrench. Believe it's a 13. 13. Let's see. Yeah. We on there now. All right. As my granddaddy would say, now we're cooking. Looks like we're just in a Rouse parking lot. We didn't make it to the underground spot. The underground spot got shut down, so this is where we are. Not the world's greatest lighting for a car meet, but we'll get what we can. Coming up behind a couple Supras that just pulled up. Yeah, we got a Golf over here. Man, I ain't seen one of these in a minute. Little CRX action. Let's see, we got a wood grain wheel. Is that an RD wheel? No, NRG wheel. Okay. Little quarter cage in the back. Yeah, this thing's clean. Again, it's just bad lighting. But now, what is this? Oh, these are the dudes that they did my window tint house. Yeah, shout out to the boys at Tent House. They did my window tint and my sound system. It's a cool little. What is that? A Civic Ute or a Prelude Ute? All right, that is pretty cool. That is pretty cool. Look at that. They put a truck bed and everything. Yeah, that's dope. Got some little Toyota action over here. There you go. There you go. Let's see what else we got. Yeah, nothing too crazy so far. Got a Crispy out here.
You guys all want flavor?
Let's go check this out real quick. Everybody's checking them all out. Let's check out this NSX real quick. Yeah, this thing's clean. It's a driver though, for sure. I saw it earlier, it had some paint chips on the front, but it's a driver. Looking good, looking good. Got a Nissan out here, a little. I think this is a Gloria, or damn, look at the wheels on this bad boy. Oh, you guys can't see it. Them motherfuckers are fire. I have to pull my phone out in a minute. Yeah, this is nice. Oh, it's a Century, okay.
It's a Century.
Yeah. So it's a Toyota Century. Or Crown, I guess it would be. But that motherfucker, ooh. I don't know if you guys can see the wheels, but these things hitting. Yeah, that's gangster right there for sure. Then we got the LS. Yeah, farm truck. Yeah. This is for my guy Ryan. Got that 5.0 thing out here, Fox body. Yeah, this one clean too. This one real clean. Real clean. Man, it's cold. I don't think we gonna last out here too long. We got the Beamer boys. Looks like they all rolled up together, double parking. So we just strolled through real quick. Yep. Okay. All right, there you go. Got the half cage in there, the lights. The Beamer boys doing it big. They're doing it big. All right, we're gonna do one more lap and we're gonna get out of here. I mean, there's still cars pulling up, but there's also cars leaving at the same time, so it's not popping like it used to be. Man, the last time I've been out to a car meet like this was before my daughters were born, so 4 years ago. I was out in the Skyline hanging out with Uncle Gary. Shout out to Uncle Gary over at Any Time. But yeah, we were hanging out and running from the police in our Skylines at the time. Man, I want to check this out. It's I always like Teslas. Bag Teslas are cool. I don't care what nobody says. Oh, it's electric car bullshit and all that. They cool. And this thing got 20s on it. They look good. We got the Lexus back here. We got Granny in her car. We got the SCs. Yeah. Oh, we got a 1J with a big old turbo. There you go. We got a couple Evos out here too. I know these things are pretty quick. Yeah, this one got a drag pack on the front and the back. So, well, obviously it's all-wheel drive. But this is what I really came back for, to check out this ER34 4-door. Oh yeah, I seen this car. They got the double wing on it. They got the deck lid and the GTR wing on it. It's pretty dope. I really want to get one. Get rid of my 32, maybe I'll get one. Or you guys run these videos up, I can go ahead and get one.
Hey, keep it chill.
Yeah, I fuck with it. I fuck with it. Looks like we got some drift cars pulling in. Got another Skyline, 32 4-door. Okay, got the Elco. Yeah, got the E30. All right. Let's swing back around and check out the Skyline. That thing sound good. They got a good chop to it. That thing sound real good. That thing sounds good. That thing got a mean old chop. There you go. Look at that. Look at that paint too. That paint. We check out the 32. I like it. Got the drag wing on it. The same wheels that everybody has when they get their Skyline. But it looks good. Oh, look at this purple. This purple's nice, man. I'm telling you, this light ain't doing it justice, man. You guys don't even see it. Well, this purple is real nice. It's clean. My man pulling up in a Bentley to the car meet. All right, y'all. I think that's gonna be the end of this. Ain't shit else going on out here, so we just got a bunch of cars with Christmas lights on them, and it's cold as fuck. So I'm gonna get on up out of here. But as always, like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. Let's run up these numbers, and we'll move on.